Welcome back to the OpenVINO channel. First stage, make sure you have the right hardware, download and install OpenVINO. Intel distribution of OpenVINO is supported on multiple platforms. So first, make sure your platform is supported. If your platform is not supported, you can compile the open source distribution of OpenVINO for your system. This will be shown in another video. In this video, we'll go over the basic installation phases. After installation, it should work on all supported CPUs. Other devices like Intel integrated GPU, Movidius neural compute stick, or integrated VPU or FPGA will require few more steps and will be explained in future videos. Let's Google Intel OpenVINO. From the home, go to documentation and to the system requirement page. You will need 6th to 8th generation Intel Core, few Atom-based platforms, or an Intel Xeon processor, depending on the operating system you use. There are additional software dependencies. Some of them could be installed automatically by supplied script. Some you'll have to get yourself. Let's go to Choose and Download. Choose Linux and register. Now let's choose the latest version and download the full package. Let's open a terminal, go to the download directory. But first, do I have the required system? Cat proc/CPU info and grab the model name. And I have here an i7-677, so 6th generation. We're good to go. Untar, go to the directory. Before we even install, let's run a script to bring all the software dependencies. I'm running with sudo permissions install cv sdk dependencies.sh. And now install. Just follow the steps. For simplicity, I will install the full package, but you can choose to install only specific components if you hit customize. And done. Installation on Windows will look almost the same. Let's do it. But first, do I have the system requirements? On my Windows systems, I type the Windows keys and system information. You can see that I have a Core i5 6 something, meaning 6th generation, so I'm all good. Now choose Window, register, and download the package. Now launch the executable file. Need to extract it first. Choose the components you need, or all of them. Choose to data collection or not. Wait for the install to finish, and we are done. Intel has invested a lot of effort to make the installation process easy, but sometimes there are issues. Try to use the developers page to find the answer or to ask a question. In the next video, let's just try to run a demo that demonstrates the full flow. If you need to install an integrated GPU, VPU, or FPGA, look for the relevant instructional videos. Subscribe to the OpenVINO channel and we'll send you more videos like this. Thank you.